In this video, I'll guide you through how to import a Jotform form, whether you're moving an existing form into Jotform, reusing something you built before, or just exploring different import options. I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly what to expect and what each choice means. First, open your browser and go to the Jotform website. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all the form building features. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to log in, then you'll be ready to follow along. Once you're on the Jotform dashboard, look for the option labeled Create. This is usually near the top of the page and is your starting point whenever you want to build something new in Jotform. Go ahead and click on Create. After you click Create, Jotform will show you a few choices for what you want to create. Here you'll want to choose Form. This tells Jotform that you're working with a standard online form, which is what you need for importing. Click on Form to continue. Now, instead of starting from a blank form or a template, you'll see an option that says Import Form. This is the key feature we're focusing on in this tutorial. Click Import Form, and Jotform will open up several different ways you can bring an existing form or form content into your account. At this stage, you'll see multiple import options, and each one is designed for a slightly different scenario. Let's quickly go over what they mean so you can pick the one that fits your situation best. You can choose to import from a URL. This is useful if you already have a form published online, either on Jotform or another platform, and you want Jotform to recreate it for you. You'll typically paste the link to that form, and Jotform will attempt to pull in the structure and fields. You can upload a PDF. If your form currently exists as a PDF document, Jotform can convert it into an online fillable form. This is helpful for turning older document-based forms into something users can fill out on the web. Make sure your PDF is clear and formatted in a way that makes the fields easy to recognize. You can clone your existing Jotform form. This is great if you already built something in Jotform and want to reuse it without starting from scratch. Cloning lets you copy an existing form, including its layout and fields, and then you can customize the copy for a new purpose. You'll also see an option for CSV or Excel. Use this if you have form-related data or structure stored in a spreadsheet file. This can help you quickly bring in lists of fields, items, or choices that you'd rather not type manually. There is an option to import from an image. This is designed for situations where your form is currently only available as an image, like a scanned document or a picture of a paper form. Jotform will try to interpret that image and turn it into a digital form you can edit. Finally, you can import with AI. This option lets Jotform's AI tools help interpret and build a form for you, often based on the content you provide. It can be a fast way to get a starting point that you can then refine. Once you choose the import method that best matches your form, simply follow the on-screen prompts, let Jotform process the content, and then review the result. From there, you can adjust fields, change settings, and publish your imported form just like any other Jotform project.